A blizzard is a natural disaster of a type of cold, hard wind accompanied by snow. This term. How do blizzards happen? Quoting from Noah, blizzards like other winter storms occur at least because of the following their factor.
Number one, cold air. Air with a low temperature relatively low compared to the surface beneath the air around it. This often causes snow to lift something to raise most air to form clouds and cause precipitation. For example, when the warm air collides with the cold air, it forms snow. Number three, moisture to form cloud and precipitation.
For example, when air collides with cold air in for snow. The impact of blizzard in winter often causes accidents to death following the impact of blizzard for humans. 1. People died in traffic accident on a road. 2. People died of heart attack while shoveling snow. 3. People died for storm hypothermia. 4. Moisture to from cloud and precipitation.
It's best going to be a blizzard. Immediately prepare thick clothes and also clean the roads exposed to ice.